Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add more than 5 hashtags to your videos on TikTok. I know that 5 is the hashtag limit. You are able to use TikTok Studio, but if you're too lazy, just do this little trick that I found out. If you hear weird noises, it's my little brother laughing and being weird. Anyways, I'm just going to randomly take a picture like so. Okay. And hopefully there's no music. Okay. And I'm just going to select the text. And this is where you're going to add all of your hashtags. And yes, it counts. So I'm just going to type like FYP, hashtags, blah, 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 stuff like that. Okay, and then you're just going to like hide it. You're not going to delete it. You're going to hide it from view so people can't see it. Okay, and then you are going to press next, and basically, as you can see here, I'll type all the hashtags, and then like hello, trending. See, it says maximum 5 hashtags. Use accurate hashtags to get more views. Then you're just going to post it, and hopefully it goes to people's like algorithm with you using more than 5. But again, it does work if you use TikTok Studio. So if you really want to go there, you're able to, but you're also able to do this. I'm sorry I can't really think of more hashtags. Like, I don't want to really think about it. But anyways, that is it. Again, you're just going to hide it from view. And yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you haven't done that already, if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!